Data analytics is one of today's really hot topics. I'm sure everybody understands that. But what this really translates to is in taking a business from where it is today to becoming a data-driven business. And it's so important for companies to do that because studies are already out. And in fact, I know of one from Aberdeen Group that says if you are a data-driven business and you're best in class at it, you're going to average 23% growth in your profit and 27% growth in your revenue. I mean, that's nothing to sneeze at. Whereas average users, average data-driven businesses are at like 9% growth in profit and 12% revenue growth. Whereas laggards, basically people who don't know how to use it, are only seeing 3% growth in profit and 1% growth in revenue. So it's obviously very important to become a data-driven business. The other piece of that is for ISVs, since we do work a lot with ISVs, is that embedding data analytics is becoming very important, not only because the customers need it, but because what it's also showing is that ISVs are gaining in their revenue by about 20% by being able to offer analytics in their products. So it's a winner all the way around for the providers of the solutions to the businesses themselves. So now what does it take to become a good data-driven business? What it really means, and I've got really kind of the four or five steps to take, and it's not as simple as this, but at least it's sort of a roadmap is what needs to be done. First of all, you have to really understand that becoming data-driven is not really just a technology change. It's actually a mindset change first. Becoming an analytical company means you have to understand what that means. It means that you're looking at data and you're trying to find out what it means to you. You're not just looking for reports. And that's a change in an organization, and that has to be led by the top, and you have to purposefully do something about that to make yourself an analytical company. Secondly, you have to understand, what do you want to accomplish with analytics? Do you want it to be just for the core of your business or for just a small piece, or if you want it to be for all of your business? And thirdly, you have to put a plan together and do something about that. But a key piece of that plan is to measure the effectiveness of your data and of your analytics. And there are actually 4 KPIs that can help you measure the effectiveness of your data analytics plan. And those are the data onboarding efficiency, basically the number of days that it takes to integrate new data. Secondly, data accessibility, the annual increase in the amount of data that is actually searchable now by your business. The third one is data reliability. Is how accurate and how reliability, what is the increase in that over a year? And fourthly, on-time information delivery. So what is the percent of the data delivered that's delivered within the time that you need to make that decision, as opposed to, gosh, I wish I had that last week. And so those are 4 key metrics to make sure you really have a good analytics and that you're improving your analytics program on a year-to-year basis. And fourthly, you need to engage with someone, a consultant, an expert, an expert in your own company that can help you really understand what you need to do, choose the right tools, because there's many really excellent tools out there to help you do that, and then implement a solution, but on a pilot basis first. Never try to do this across the company without trying out something first, because you'll learn what you don't know and you'll learn what will work best for you.